got one right now as he does the beautiful roundhouse loop. And you can see one very interesting feature of the wingtip smoke generators that he designed and put on this aircraft. That they are making smoke rings. Because of the wingtip vortices, or the swirl, as Eddie Andrini tears up the skies over Travis. A moving patriotic tribute to this great country of ours, all performed to music. Her stage is the open sky. Her aircraft, a beautifully restored Beechcraft T 90-degree turn on top. And she sets up now for her next maneuver, the hammerhead stall turn. The 1/2 Cuban 8 maneuver. There's the Cuban 8. 2 hands on the stick for Julie's.
Things will go on. To start with just my children and my wife, who gave that right to me, and I gladly stand next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. Today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. And I'm proud to be
given to women who have helped other women to achieve success in aviation or opened doors of opportunity on behalf of other women in aviation. She wants to thank her sponsors, Air Charge Systems, ICOM America, American Propeller, and many more. We'll tell you a little more as we launch the War Dog. It's John Culver. As Julie steps out of the airplane, she'll be over at her trailer, almost directly behind, known as the North American Texan, or the SNJ.